Let's visit the world's largest outdoor museum in Thailand. This is the ancient city located at Samut Prakan just outside the city center of Bangkok. So first, paano nga ba kami nakapunta dito? So we booked through Klook and that includes the ancient city Irawan Museum plus transfers. And don't forget to use my discount code Apollonia Klook to get more savings. This is a must if pupunta kayo ng Thailand. Sulit na sulit talaga. It has more than 116 structures and monuments lang naman. And it consists of replicas of mga temples, palaces, and ancient landmarks from every region of Thailand. At more than 200 acres yung area niya. And yes, in actual, malaki talaga siya. At of course, aside sa temples, meron din silang cultural shows na pwede niyong panoorin. At makikita yung schedule dun sa map nila. Amazed na amazed talaga ako kasi ang super ganda ng ancient city. At mura lang namin tong nabook sa Klook. May discount pa. So if you're planning to go to Thailand, save and share this video for your future reference. And if you have questions about traveling, huwag kayong mahihiya at ilagay nyo lang sa comment section. Yun lang. Bye!